Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete iMessage messages in your Mac. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for more videos like this. So if you want to delete messages in your Mac, so what you have to do, whether you are using MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, M2 chip or M1 chip, this video will work in every MacBook devices. So now what you have to do, just go to the messages. Okay, now here you will see first way is to, there are many ways by which you can delete messages. First way is to go to the message and click right click and delete. Okay, and now again click on delete. Now second way is to go, here you will see conversation option. Just click on this conversation and here you will see delete conversation and click on delete. Like this you can delete messages in Mac. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.